Today we're reviewing the Great Alpine Bright 17 foot. It's an entry-level caravan in terms of price, but as far as features go, it's top of the range. So we start off with an Australian Silverline chassis. You've got your breakaway for safety purposes. You've got two gas bottles. These are 9 kilos swap and go, so you can swap and go these anywhere in Australia, Bunnings, any service station. So that's very convenient. If you come to the side here, you can see this is aluminium clad caravan. It's a striking grey, well insulated, and as far as the frame, the structure of the caravan goes, you have a choice of either aluminium or wood. A tunnel boot here, and if I open this, you can see that every Great Alpine caravan comes with a jack, the TV's in here, the wheel spanner, wheel brace, or whatever you call it, a reversing camera screen to go in your car. So that's all packaged away for you, ready to go. You can see we have the Aussie Traveller awning here, which is, I keep harping on about this, but this is a really, really good awning. You'll never have problems with this awning. And if you do, spare parts and backup service by Aussie Traveller is second to none. You've got a table here, you've got power here, you've got speakers for entertainment, you've got lights. These are 15-inch wheels. It is a road touring caravan. You've got an Aussie Traveller door, which also has a security midgie-proof mesh door built into that. So if I do this, you can see there is a midgie-proof security door here. And we'll have a look inside in a minute, but if you swing around here, you can see the spare wheel. You might like a couple of options here, perhaps a couple of jerry can holders here for some additional water, although this caravan does come with 2 drinking water tanks and a grey water tank, but you can option it up. Another standard feature is the reversing camera, very important. Now the reversing camera, yes, you can use it for reversing, but more so when you're towing, you can see who's behind you. You can make sure that you're not holding up traffic and pull over. So that gives you a great view when you're driving. It's almost like having a rear vision mirror. On this side here, we have our toilet cassette access, we have our fridge ventilation, and we have our filling point for water, hot water unit, entry point for your power. So it kind of comes with everything you need. Let's go inside and have a look at this Great Alpine Bright 17 foot couples van. As you can see, we have a door handle here with a built-in light. That's convenient. If you're like me, you need a bit of a hand getting in. Awesome. Come on in. There is a lounge which will comfortably accommodate 2 people and I guess the grandchild perhaps may want to travel with you. You have a table which is removable if you want the extra room, but really, why would you? You can see you've got your entertainment center, you've got overhead storage here, and you can see the overhead storage, it is hinged with powerful struts and latches that are very firm, and this is not going to open while you're traveling. To the front, you can see the reading lights, you can see a double bed, robes, drawers here, and again lots more storage for all your clothes, and of course it's got underbed storage, and there's no batteries or electronics here. It is storage for you to use for your clothes, perhaps some food, heavy items can all go under here. You can see reading lights, there are nooks there so you can put your phone and your laptop and recharge it just next to the pillows. Windows, you've got a TV mount here. You've got the kitchen with plenty of drawers, and I always say that drawers are very useful storage. Probably the most useful storage in a caravan are drawers. You can see there's a mini cooktop here with a griller and lots of room underneath for your pots and pans. You've got a range hood. You've got this striking black splashback with chrome and silver appliances, a window. And you can see here we have the NCE microwave and of course the fridge and freezer underneath here, so all conveniently located. Also, as you come in to your right, you can see this handy storage pocket. So this is very handy for magazines and all those bits and pieces, perhaps a hat or whatever. So great storage. Speakers inside and air conditioning, all those great things that are standard as part of this bright 17-foot van. One of the beauties of caravanning is you've got all the creature comforts, and in this case we have a separate shower and toilet, a full bathroom. So come on down and have a look. So as you can see, we have the Thetford toilet. We have plenty of shelving and storage up the top, a huge mirror, beautiful basin. The greatest creature comfort in a caravan is the shower. So come on in and have a look. This has a soap holder, it has an exhaust fan, a light. So this is the Great Alpine Bright 17-foot, an entry-level caravan full of features. And it's ideal for somebody that needs a first caravan. You have a normal car. So this is light enough to be towed with your regular sedan. You don't need a fancy four-wheel drive. However, should you want to option up this van to an off-road version, more aggressive, more water, more battery, Great Alpine can option this up to your needs. So come and talk to us at Great Alpine.